Hello everyone, welcome back to Designer Trend Seeker. So we start off today's video with this really cool Ikea hack DIY. These are always my favorites to watch. I love how people manage to transform items, furniture pieces, and make it their own personal style. Looks like she's just kind of sanding the piece down and then adding some wood. Now this of course is going to completely transform the furniture piece overall. So after putting on that wood piece, she does go over it with some paint. Looks like she's going with like a very neutral scheme here. There is the final piece. Very nice. She also shows us how she decorates with it. Oh, that's cute. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next one is going to be of a DIY table. Actually, most of the clips in today's video are of tables, so very interesting. So it looks like this person is doing that very popular spear table trend. I love how these videos make it look so easy. So this is still just the top portion here that she's constructing. It's like she's really into neutrals, you can tell by the rest of her home in the background. Oh, that came out so cute. It looks like cement, like the way that the color and everything. Wow. So beautiful. She is definitely into like ivories and neutral colors. Such a beautiful space. And then for the next one, we have someone making some type of bowl. So they're using clay for this. They did a nice little imprint. Oh, they're actually making a big candle. Wow, that's probably really pretty. Yes. Oh my goodness. Wow, that came out absolutely breathtaking. Very cool. I wonder if they made that table too. Probably. I mean, we get pretty much all of our ideas from TikTok nowadays. Like, just go on TikTok and you will be amazed at what people can come up with, like projects-wise. It's crazy. All right, so here we have another table that is never, ever, ever a basic table design. I know that's not what she's talking about, but She's talking about like your personality, but you know, why can't it relate to furniture as well? Like, don't go with the basic furniture pieces. Ooh, yes. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. Wow. And then we once again have that spear table design. So they're going to be making their own because those tables are expensive. Oh, they're using like styrofoam molding here. Because usually when I see these projects, they take like the bowls and then use like the spear shape that way. So this is interesting to see someone making like their own molding here. Ooh, so pretty. I love the aesthetic behind that table too. And here's another look at the one that we previously saw. Nice little close-up view. So let me know after watching this video, are you guys inspired to like make your own table design? Because I mean, it would be really cool to make one. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let the rest of this just kind of play out. I hope that you guys did enjoy all of the DIY projects that were featured within today's video. Like I said, I'm definitely feeling inspired to maybe like craft up my own table. Just gotta find the free time in order to do it. But I hope that you guys did enjoy checking out these clips with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.